Unleashed at 70 miles an hour, this incredible speed leaves no room for mistakes. The quick turn, the size of the prey, makes it almost an impossibility. But for this moment in time, nothing else matters, for the predator or for the prey. And now the brothers are working in unison, collaborating to win this immense battle. It's hard to know which god selected this wildebeest. Was it random, or is it his almost last year's water crossing? It is a moment in time, and yet it is timeless. These epic battles for survival are the result of wave after wave of millions of wildebeest that pour into the waiting teeth of the just 7,000 cheetahs left on the planet. Victory is short-lived. Takes turns in defending their meal, while the other four feed up, before the hyenas can get the true measure